Violators will be prosecuted. No trespassing. All right. I'm out.
Quítese de ahí.
¿Tiene carro, papá?
Ya lo quitamos. Then we just saw like a bird got attacked by a hawk. Crap, my camera's getting so wet. It's over there, the hawk's over there. Is my dad gonna try to catch it?
Yes, we're gonna see him.
Are we?
Yeah. ¿Y cómo lo vamos a enrollar?
Ahí mi chamarra. Suerte porque va a mover las de estas.
So brother? Alright, so I came to the store to find some dry erase, what are they called? Boards? I think that's what they're called. The things that teachers use for school. But I don't know where they're at. Nope, nope. Nope, nope. Right. Found them. I don't have them. They don't have them.
Good for you.
Right, so I wasn't able to find any dry erase boards, but I found this thing. I mean, it's kind of transparent, right? It's a sign holder.
Don't look at my nails. My nails are ugly.
Wait, what are those?
Oil-based Sharpies. And I want to use it to do something for Christmas.
Well, you're gonna do a nail design for Christmas?
No, it's a gift for my friends for Christmas.
Oh, look, you can write in these things. Art. Look, I'm gonna do a magic trick right now. I'm gonna do a magic trick on you. Right, look. See how you're right there? Look, I'm gonna just clean my shirt. Oh crap, my lens is dirty. Hold on. Let me just. Damn, it's so dirty. Ooh, where did you go?
I'm here!
Whoa! How did you do that?
Magic by Torky!
I'm over here. Haha, you didn't catch me. Oh snap! Look, this guy just threw. Are you supposed to? Can you throw mail?
To a driveway?
Hold on. He's gonna throw it at us. Hide! 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 He's gonna throw it at us. Hey, he threw it! Hey! He threw it! He just threw up. Oh crap. Just dropped all the mail. Now it's all wet. Oh wait, let's go see. Let's. Right now, pick this up. Oh, that one too. Oh look, cameras.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm rich!
Alright, let's go take it back.